on me and like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business.
Welcome to my channel. Today I got a new wig from Curlyme hair that I'm going to share with you. First, I'm going to show you what came in my packaging. So this is everything. Of course, it's what you need to install your wig as well as some accessories. Since this wig is a half wig, it did come with headbands. So let's get into the actual wig. Like I said, it is a half wig. So the wig does not have any lace. It is literally like the half of the wig that does not have lace. So this is what it looks like. Very full. It's a highlighted brown kinky straight wig. I love this unit. I love kinky straight and half wigs just because how natural they look. So I'm going to be installing this with the amount of leave out that I have kind of in front of my head already. Half wigs allow you to do pretty much any style and still look so natural, especially with this texture. So that's what we're doing today. I'm kind of just fitting the wig to my head. So of course it looks as natural as possible. The wig does have an adjustable kind of thing in the back there that I did adjust to fit to my head. So once you get your wig adjusted nicely, you are ready to style. Nothing left to do but style. Before I actually styled the hair, I did want to try on the headband just to see how it looked. Super cute. The wig looks natural like a blowout. But this is the hair. I got my leave out together. Now I'm ready to flat iron the actual unit. So I took my time with this unit. I did want to see it completely straightened out without kind of just rushing through it, adding some curls. I wanted to see the texture full. So I went row by row here, flat ironing my hair. And the hair looks really good. It flat irons really nice. Even with my hair difference in the color there, I thought it may be a little funny looking, but I think it works. It's just in the front. But you can kind of see the separation if you look closely in the front of my head from the wig and my leave out. But yeah, so that's like the only style that you may not want to do with a half wig is a middle part, just because you'll see the separation. So it's really similar to a flip over. So just like you would do a flip over is what you would do with a half wig. They're super easy to throw on. I always do, honestly, I kind of preserve my hair with a braid down, and I'll just throw wigs on or do different styles, quick weaves with that same braid down for a while. I'll wash my braid down in my leave out, but I'll do a different style, same braid down. So I always love these just because they're so versatile. You can definitely do a ponytail with this wig as well. I'll show you that toward the end. I kind of did a quick one, but you can do half up, half down, ponytail, a full flip over type of look, full curls, but I opted to just straighten the hair. I wanted to see how it looks, but you can see there how well the hair is flat ironing. It looks very natural, very natural. So it blend really nicely with natural hair, of course. My hair is natural. So yeah, I just went through. It did take me a while because this wig is so full, and of course the texture, I wanted to make sure that I got it straight enough. So I really took my time there to get every little bit, but it looks really good. So this is what it looks like now that I have finished. Really natural looking. I honestly love it. Even with my hair being black, I think it still looks really good. And I kind of styled it, like I was saying before, like a flip over style. I love side parts anyway, so this is just perfect for me. And again, very, very easy. So this is how I will be wearing the wig. Wand curls would also look very nice with this wig. I love wand curls in a flip over type of style, so definitely would recommend. But that would take so long, again, just because of how much hair this is, how long it is, and the hair is pretty thick and full. So I did tighten it up a little bit more. As you can see, I'm just kind of playing with it. Every time I put a wig on, after you style it on your head, there's some adjusting that needs to be done just because of the pulling and tugging that you did while styling. But I love it. Love the hairstyle. Love how it came out. I hope you guys do too. Now I do want to show you some additional styles that you could do with the unit. So I'm going to show you how to do a ponytail. But like I was saying, I wasn't really trying to do a ponytail. I just kind of wanted to see pretty quickly how it would look if I tried to do one. So I'm throwing the hair into a ponytail now. You could do a higher ponytail. I'm doing like low to mid just because I don't have any leave out in the back. But of course, if you had leave outs back there, you could do a higher ponytail. Not exactly like a Barbie type of ponytail, not that high, but definitely higher than what I have right now. So just to get the feel, you can see that it easily blends in the ponytail. You could definitely do one. It would look very natural. Of course, you would put more effort into the ponytail than I'm doing right now. And just tuck in that little band and there you go. So again, I love half wigs because of the versatility. I love doing different styles every single day. I hardly keep in the same style just because of how much I like to just experiment, try new things. So definitely would recommend, if not this wig, some sort of half wig. They offer you so much versatility and just save you when you're having a bad hair day. All you have to do is straighten your leave out and in the front and you're good to go. So again here, low effort, but I did a half up, half down, just kind of quickly to get the feel. And still very natural looking, very easy to do, quick, on the go. All right, and that is the wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the links to this wig down below, as well as Curlyme hair. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Again, thanks so much for watching.